Busy yung boss natin, guys. Naayos niya yung tukador. Ito yung second floor namin, guys. Naayos ni bossing. Divider, guys. Dami pa naming ganap. Yan, guys, oh. Ano to tawag niya pa? Ini-assemble. Ang isip ko, scramble. Assemble niya, guys, yung tukador na maliit pang sa yan, guys, sa TV namin. Lagyan yung TV. Automatic pa, guys, yung niya, guys, oh, pang scramble, oh. Brrr. Oh. Di ba, guys? Umiilaw yan. Only in Candas Boss, YouTube. Oh, see? Told you. Boss, anong masasabi mo, boss?
No more?
Busy ka, boss?
See,
Yan. Busy-busyhan daw siya, guys.
Hey!
Ay! Hindi pa siya na Hindi pa siya na fix. Babay mo na, guys. Babay mo na. Boss, babay mo na. Boss.